Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you how you can wash your human hair wigs. So I happen to wash 6 different wigs today for clients, and then I've got a lot of comments on my client from my client telling me to make a wash day routine so they can actually learn how to wash the wigs yourself instead of sending wig from different part of the country to me to wash, and after washing it I'll have to send it back to them. So that's the reason why I'm actually doing this video, and is as easy as possible. In less than 15-20 minutes you're done washing your wig. So on this part of the clip I did a video where I show you guys how to remove gum from your frontal after installing your frontal. After removing your frontal, how you can easily remove gums from it. Glue got to be hard bond on it. So if you want to see that video, I'll be leaving a clip somewhere where you can click on it after washing this. So let's dive into the wash day routine. What I like to do is to wet my wig first. The wig I'm actually washing today is a frontal wig with kinky texture. So I wet my wig, then I'll add my shampoo onto it. If you've been watching my video, you know how much I like the Tresemme shampoo. I love it so much because it's good for hair, damaged hair and the rest. But if you can't get that, you can get your hands on any other shampoo and condition. So if you wash how I'm actually running my hand through it, this is how you wash wig. You just run your hand through it, wash it, and you can see how I walk my hand through the frontal. That is how you do it. You don't wash it as if you're washing clothes or something. You just hold it, make sure your hand is on the frontal or the closure part of it. Then after doing that, I just use my comb to like comb it. That comb, while combing it also, it helps you to like clean the hair to the bottom. So that is exactly what I am doing while I add the shampoo to it. And make sure your hair is good, because if your hair is good, to be as easy as possible. What I have on this hair right now is shampoo, but you can see how easily it is for me to comb it. It's not like the hair is a new hair that you said, okay, the hair has no experience any tangling. It's a old hair, not a new one. So you just get a good hair. We sell hair, so if you want to check our page on Instagram, you can go to Change Your Look UK all in one word, and you'll be able to order from us, and we deliver worldwide. So if you watch how I run my hand through it, that is how you wash your wig. If you want to wash wig, it's very easy. Just to make sure that you are not letting go of the closure or the frontal part, because if you let go of it, you will have a lot of tangling. That is what a lot of people don't know about it. After doing that, I just run water through it, make sure I'm washing taking out all the shampoo out of it, even from the cap, so you don't deliver hair and the client starts seeing some white patch and be like, what's this on the wig? that was not how I sent it to you. So you just wash it even inside the cap, so you can remove every kind of shampoo or condition hanging on the cap. So I try to brush the frontal part of it just to make sure that there is no tangling on it, and I love to use my detangling brush. If you don't have one and you wear wig, please, you need to get one detangling brush. Even if it's just one, you can get it in boot shop or any of these, maybe on Amazon as well. You can get some good one as well. After detangling the frontal part, combing it and make sure that there is no tangling, I add my condition to it. And when you are adding your condition to it, make sure you're very generous with your condition. I put a lot of condition on my hair when I'm washing hair for clients, when I'm trying to like wash any form of any kind of hair, coily or straight. I like to put a lot of condition. Like this bottle, I can use it for maybe just 2 wigs. So just soak a lot of condition on it. A lot of condition. You might not see when I put more of condition, but I'm just telling you what I normally do. I will put a lot of condition and make sure you rub it through. After putting the condition, comb the hair again, most especially your closure part. Be nice to that closure part. Make sure you are combing it nicely. You can see that I'm actually distributing the condition onto the closure part again. Because of this video, I don't want it to take time. That's why I'm washing it. I'm running water through it immediately. But what I normally do, I wrap it together and keep it for like 30 minutes to 1 hour for it to really, for the condition to penetrate into it. So if you have that time, you can even keep it all through the night just to make sure that it's soft. By the time you bring it out, you will see that your hair, you will be surprised how soft your hair will feel. So after washing it, I've run water through it. Hope I'm not talking too much. So you comb it again. The goal is to make sure you don't forget to comb it. Combing it is you detangling the hair. Make sure there is no tangling on it after it's dry. So you can see after washing it, running water through it, I still brushed it and then I run my hand through it from the beginning to the end. That is how you wash your hair. A lot of people don't know about this. Why I'm showing inside the closure right now is to show you that all the bond on it is actually clean. I washed as well. This is very long. I think it's 28 inches. I just washed as well. So look at this one. You need to see this hair when they brought it. You won't believe the hair can actually retain coils like this. So today happened to be my wash day, and I've been doing a lot of washing and revamping. Beautiful work. So I washed about 6 hair. This is another one. And I've got all this goodness right here. So I just dyed this hair. It was black, so I dyed it to brown. Sorry. So when it's totally dry, you'll be able to see how beautiful the color is. But you can see it from here, right? Look at how nice that brown color is. And this one also washed. So guys, that's all I had to do today. Thank you so much for watching.